Alrighty, as you can see, I just got my package from MrFingerboarder223. Yeah, it looks pretty beat up, but it's a bunch of rails and stuff, so I don't really expect anything glamorous. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, no use in being gentle. Oh, man, I'm super psyched. Just getting off of work. And I didn't think this would come until next week. Oh, and by the way, MrFingerboarder, I've sent your money right away as soon as the package touched my hands. So your $30 should be able to be received by the end of this video, if not beforehand. And it looks like the L rail that he added. I'm just going to take this whole thing out. Gotta love the duct tape. Can't ever be too safe. Let me go and grab a razor blade. Oh, sorry for the wait. Couldn't find my thing. Let me just grab this razor blade real quick. And yes, I am still using my phone. So yes, it does kind of suck, but I'm just trying to set this up for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. Just like before. Let's see the deck that I got all wrapped up and packaged. What is that, a can opener? Beer bottle opener? Nice. I didn't even tell him I drank a little bit, but he doesn't know me better than I know myself, apparently. Very secure. Try to keep this stuff out the way so you guys can see. And this bad boy right here must be the concrete ledge. So I guess we'll start with the biggest. Can you guys see? Hello? Okay. Oh yes. This thing looks awesome. Yes, the concrete curb with a slope. A little banged up, but that's alright. It's concrete. I wasn't expecting anything pretty, but it does look nice. It is, let's see if you guys can tell, it is kind of has a sheen to it. So that's awesome. I'm guessing that's, yeah, that looks awesome. So yeah, there's that. Sweet little product. Got some debris and stuff. Now, let's try to get this open. And just set this back up. A lot of tape. A whole lot of tape. No complaints. Because it's good to know that he knows how to securely wrap and package things. As you can see, everything's got bubble wrap around it too. And this is a new product. I'm guessing this is his L, part of his L rail here. Yes, it is. Just like so. I was kind of hoping it would already be welded. That kind of sucks. Because I don't have anything to weld it myself. But I'll figure something out. So yeah, there's that. That's awesome. Stuff out the way. Alrighty, here's the rest of the rails bundled up here. Real secure. Nice. The riser, or the no slips on there. This is what I was most excited for. Get it open. I hope you guys can see this. If not, it's gonna suck. I promised him that I would make an unboxing, and if this comes out bad, it's really going to suck. Oh yes. Just grab the camera. Oh man, that is sweet. Oh yeah, that's nice. You can see the welding kinda. It's not bad. Not bad at all, honestly. Yep,